Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. This is Shreya from Formula for Marketing, and today we are interviewing Miss Jasdeep. She is an England certified makeup artist, currently working in India for more than 7 years. She works as a freelancer globally and she also organizes workshops. She does bridal engagement and reception and party makeups, and today's interview's topic is Learn Networking with Freelancers and Salon Owners. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today for the interview. And to start the interview, I would like to ask you how you started and how you came this far.
Like basically, arts, drawings, and she's a painting lover. So I totally got all the things and all the things I learned from her only. So in this way, I just came to know about it and got some interest and just joined some like hobby courses in summer vacation, and then further I just thought of going through it. Then during MBA, and I was doing my bookings along with it, and I just keep on getting some like clients. So in this way, I just get into this profession.
Okay, ma'am. So, network is an important part of growing makeup artist business. What are your thoughts on that?
Yes, definitely. I think so. Like, if you're a makeup artist, and then networking is very much mandatory for everyone to learn about it. Like, if you're not having it, then talk about myself. Like, I have also been into the same boat, like the beginners, like the aspirants who are just coming and like who are just like pursuing their bridal courses and like launching their own salons and studios. You just need to work hard for it. You need to go to the many clients and make some like your work to totally globally, and plus for like getting so many clients. Like for example, if I talk about myself in depth, like I just did so many clients in free of cost as well, so that I can just explore my work and my work just go to many people and many people can talk about it. So in this way, just I think like networking was very important. So one person to another to third person.
So, how do you network with other salon owners, photographers, or models?
Basically, I'm a like owner of my own studio. Like I don't have any kind of team members with me from past 7 years. No hairstylist, nothing, no manager, nothing at all. I'm just doing all alone with my everything. Even I'm handling my social media, everything on my own because I'm totally passionate about my work. Plus, I don't have any kind of networks with any kind of saloons like photographers. If I talk about them, earlier when I just started my work in 2014 and 15, there were no such kind of photographers, good photographers, like who can do the bridal shoots and everything. But I think everything like it boosted up so high, and like everyone is connected to each other so that they can establish their name. So in this way, I think I haven't contacted any of the saloons and any of the photographers and any of the people to hire me. So in this way, we just get in touch so that we can make it a project. We just became a team members, and like in this way we worked hard.
Any particular group or website you use to grow your network?
To be honest, I don't have any kind of any sites or any websites to grow my business. I just focus on my goals. I just focus on my social media, and I like just publish everything on my social media, on my Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Facebook. And I think that is the these are the best platforms for exploring your work, so that your work can be reach to the many people and many masses. And I don't use any kind of websites, even I don't use promotions as well. Like I have just seen, like I just get good likes and good views on the reels. And moreover, I just learn more about the Instagram algorithm, like how to reach your business, how to grow your business. So I think every people and every experience like the budding artist should learn my work. I just focus on my goals, on my aims and everything. I just publish all my work on my social media site, for example, like on Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Facebook. I just put on everything over there so that it could reach to many people. And from there, I just get my from there I just get my bookings, and it reaches to many. And also I'm getting the clients from different states and different cities as well. So I think so social media is the best platform, and I don't think so there are any kind of websites or any kind of networking things
Hmm.
that budding artist or any kind of new people should get it. So I think whatever the things are, just learn more about the Instagram, learn more about the Snapchat, learn more about the Instagram algorithm, and just know everything that how to grow your business on Instagram. So everybody is using Instagram right now in today's world, and it is totally on the high scale. So I think so instead of any kind of network issues or any network websites, they should focus on Instagram.
Okay. Which other channel bring the most business, photo shoots, salon owners, or models?
To be honest, like earlier we were working on it. Nobody was going through this, and just people go and come and get their makeup done. But in today's world, I talk about, many people are coming in front of this. Like for example, like I have met many small business and even the good business people. For example, like Urban Milaj and many magazines are there who usually approach us to get in featured in their magazine. So I haven't connected to any of the channels, and haven't any of the things. I just connected to the like the newspaper especially, so that I can publish my work on it. And even I published my workshop diaries, everything in that, and that really helped me out. But now, if I talk about, I don't go for it. Instead, people usually approach me to get featured in their
Oh,
magazines.
okay. Do you attend seminars or other workshops?
To be honest and to be true, like when I came back from England to my country, I did not join anything regarding my makeup sessions or any workshops in India, especially. I just learned one thing about the Russian hairstyling in Delhi that was totally new in our set. But if I talk about makeup, I just did my makeup courses, makeup learnings, and everything from England from different five schools. For example, I did Eltham, then Birmingham. So I didn't learn anything from here. So if I am planning again, then definitely I will be moving there only after this pandemic is over, and I will be going there to learn more about makeup in future.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, to finish this interview, I would like to ask you, like, is there any journal advice you would like to give us, or any special moment you had while you were learning, or you with your clients, or any memory you would like to share with us, or any advice?
Like the more they invested in their business, the more they will learn it, and the more they will get the clients, and the more they practice on different phases, even for the free of cost or for the like reaching their business to the different clients. As one people get makeup done from them, then definitely he will praise her or him, and he will give their reference to other people. So I think so. Like if they keep on practicing on different faces and different face cuts, they get more experienced makeup artist. Instead of learning only getting certified makeup artist for just for 1 month, they are not experienced artists. They need to work hard at least for 2 years so that they can polish their hand. And also, I had many good memories with my every client, every student, every workshop. I had it in past 7 years. I organized totally 9 workshops. So I think every moment was totally good, and it is totally memorable for me. And I just miss everything because I cannot organize now due to this COVID-19. As I usually organize workshop for at least 40 students, which is totally divided into 2 batches. So I cannot organize anything because of social distancing measures. So I think everything was totally good for me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us today for the interview, and thank you so much for giving us your precious time.